everybody. Welcome to the vlog. So today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about decision making. So we got the inspiration from Jason Mraz and his and Trisha. They have a new podcast out, and we got the idea from that. And they're talking about how when you make decisions, instead of saying should I do this or should I do that, you start asking yourself, like, what do I want to do? So we went off on that idea and discussed it the way that I usually teach it, which is talking about intentions. And instead of trying to figure out what the right thing to do is in this situation, the right thing to do in that situation, you start looking at it from what's going to bring me joy, what's going to enhance my life, what's going to bring more fun into my life, so stuff like that. And it's, if you make your decisions based in things like that, instead of how much, am I going to make an extra $2,000 a year, or, is my commute going to be 6 minutes less, or what, that type of stuff really isn't that important. It's about what you want to do, what brings you joy, what's going to enhance your life. So you make the decisions based with those intentions, and it's going to work out for you. It's really not about all the logistics. So that's what we're talking about in the latest podcast. So we've got full versions of this topic coming out. And also, don't forget, we've got the retreat coming up in July. So this July 2019. So if you're interested in finding out more information, go to glennambrose.com and find out all about the retreat. Shoot myself an email if you have any questions, or there's contact information from Michelle down in Panama, who's kind of running things down there that you can get in touch with too. So thanks for listening. Check out the video on patreon.com or the podcast. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon.